This really pisses me off when I hear this from other detailers. Myth number 7. You need a detail shop to do ceramic coatings. Think again. They told you that ceramic coatings can't be done outside. They told you that a ceramic coating must be done in a shop, in a controlled environment, dust-proof, surgically clean. I'm here to tell you that's BS. If you don't know me, I'm Mike Winkleman. I own Michael's Mobile Detailing, and I have done over 100 ceramic coatings outside, on the street, in driveways, in people's garages. And guess what? Not only can mobile detailers do this in a customer's driveway, but they may even do it better than in a shop. And I'll tell you why. Let's bust this myth. A lot of people think that ceramic coatings have to be done in a controlled environment, under fancy lights with expensive machines. And sure, a controlled environment helps, is wonderful, but here's the truth. The process matters more than the environment. Proper surface prep, polishing, and technique is what makes or breaks a ceramic coating, not a $50,000 a month shop. Now let's talk about detail shops. You have to drive your car there in the morning, drop it off. They tell you to pick it up at 5 p.m. Shops are busy. A lot of times your car isn't getting the attention it deserves. Or even worse, you get a call close to closing time that your car is not ready and you need to pick it up tomorrow. Sound familiar? Now compare that with a mobile detailer. You have an appointment, they arrive at your location. There's a detailer dedicated to your vehicle. It gets all the attention and time it deserves. Not being rushed. There isn't a stack of other cars to do. Just pure, dedicated work. Who wants to drop a car off somewhere and have to find an Uber to get home? And then back again. Taking your car to a detail shop, that's another hassle in itself. You got to take time off work, find alternate arrangements. They might get to your car today, they might not. When you book with me, with my services, I come directly to you at a time that works for you in your schedule. Another argument I hear is that mobile detailers don't have the right equipment. That is absolutely not true. A mobile detailer brings everything that a shop has to your location. High-end equipment, polishing equipment, paint depth gauges, pro-grade polishers, high-end coatings. And a lot of times they bring other stuff that a shop wouldn't have because we have to adapt to your location. In fact, a mobile detailer has to work in all sorts of environments, which in my opinion makes them more skilled than a shop. Mobile detailers develop a sharper eye for imperfections and may have to adapt in ways that a detail shop has never had to. They're not skilled, they don't know. Let's set the record straight. A mobile detailer can ceramic coat a vehicle to the same standards or better than a detail shop. You don't need to drop off your car. You don't need the hassle. You'll get the same or better results in your own driveway. If you're looking for a true professional, hit me up. I've installed over 100 ceramic coatings in people's driveways, garages, undergrounds. Hit me up, Michael's Mobile Detail. And if you want more myths busted, check out this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.